morning! I'm very happy to make this video for you. Welcome to English class! Well, how have you been, guys? About me? I'm very well, thanks. So, are you ready, guys, for learning English for today? Okay, let's be started. Do you ever asking attention to your family or to your friends? Maybe to your teacher? Alright, I think all of you ever asking attention, right? So before we start to discuss about how we asking attention, how we respond to it, I want to ask you, what does mean attention? Good. Attention, it means that perhatian. When we say asking attention, so it means that meminta perhatian. Kita meminta untuk diperhatikan ketika kita sebelum berbicara atau memberikan sebuah informasi, asking attention. So today we will learn 3 points. The first one is asking attention, the second one respond, and the last one showing attention. Are you ready, guys, to discuss it? Alright, here we go. Okay, for the first one, we want to discuss about asking attention. So, when we want to asking attention, we can say that, excuse me. And then we can say that, hey. What next we can say? If we want to say, perhatian, tolong perhatian. So, in English that we can say that. Good, attention please. Next, if we want to say, hey dengar, saya punya kabar terbaru ini. What we can say that? Good. We can say, hey listen, I have a good news. Or we can say, look, I have some news. Bisa ya kita gunakan itu ya. And then if we want to asking attention, but kita takut nih orang lain terganggu, kita bisa mengatakan, maaf jika saya mengganggu kamu. What say in English? We can say that sorry to bother you or sorry to trouble you. Good. And next, jika kita mau bilang, hey coba tebak, saya mendapatkan kabar gembira, kabar yang menarik ini. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? What we can say in English? Good. We can say, hey guess, I got an interesting news. And next, kalau kita mau bilang lagi, bolehkah saya mendapatkan perhatian kamu? Bagaimana bahasa Inggrisnya? Good. We can say that, may I have your attention please? Good. Okay, that only asking for attention. Okay, next we will discuss about response. Okay, for the second one is about response. How we respond when people asking attention for us. For the first one, we can use that yes please, ya silahkan, and then alright. Apa itu? Tolong ceritakan kepada saya. What say in English? We can say that, what's that? Tell me please. And we can use sure, certainly, and etc. Okay. For the next is we will discuss about showing attention. Alright. Here we go. Okay, for the last one is about showing attention. What does mean showing attention? Good. Showing attention, it means that menunjukkan rasa perhatian kita kepada seseorang ketika seseorang memberikan kita sebuah informasi. Nah, bagaimana cara kita menunjukkan rasa perhatian kita ketika seseorang memberikan informasi kepada kita? Kita bisa bilang apa? Oh ya. What say in English? We can say, oh, I see. Kalau kita bilang, cuman itu aja. What say in English? Good. Is that all? Oh I see. Is that all? Good. And then kalau kita mau seperti kayak kepo gitu, kita bisa bilang, tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. Kalau kita mau bilang, terus cerita selanjutnya apa? What say in English? Good. What's next? Ya. Kalau kita bilang ada suatu berita yang sangat mengerikan, kemudian kita mau bilang, oh my god, terus apa yang terjadi selanjutnya? Kita bisa bilang bagaimana? oh my god, what happened next? Ya, oke. Nah, kemudian setelah ini, Miss akan menampilkan sebuah example in the dialogue. Okay? Good. Let's see.
Well, after we discuss about asking attention, how we respond to it, and how we showing attention, now let's see the example, the dialogue here. In the dialogue that have Winda and Felicia, let's read together. Can I have your attention, please? As the class leader, I have some announcement to make. Sure, Win. We are listening. Go ahead. Thanks. Next week is Independence Day, so we have to decor our class. Anyone got any idea? I think I have some interesting ideas. What's that? Okay, listen to me. After we read the example, please write to your notebook the important point from this video. And also, don't forget to write the example.
Okay, that's all about asking attention, how to respond, and then how we showing attention. Alright? I hope you enjoy this video and enjoy to learn English. Happy learning! Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye!